Welcome. In this demo, I'll first show you the Audit mobile app workflow, followed by how the audit data is reflected in the ERP. This is the login screen of the Audit app. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to the home screen. On the home screen, you will see two options: create a new audit, search for an existing audit. To create a new audit, click Create. Select audit type as Safety Audit. For installation-related activities, choose the Erection department. Next, select the required product type. The corresponding audit form will load automatically. You can create an audit in two ways: by selecting a site or by selecting a project. Choose the required project or site, search for the desired building or unit, and then click Create. If an audit already exists for the selected building, the system will display an alert indicating that the audit is already available. Once the audit is created successfully, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK. The newly created audit will now be displayed with the status open. Open the audit by tapping on it. Here, you can assign auditors to this audit. To add another auditor, enter their name. If you want to assign them as the main auditor, enable the As Main option and click the plus button. The auditor will be added successfully. To begin the audit, click the Start button located at the top left corner. Select the activity status as Auditing, then click Confirm. Click OK to proceed. The audit status will now change to Auditing. Tap the checklist icon to open the checklist. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Answer each checklist item by selecting Yes, No, or Not Applicable NA, depending on the site conditions. If required, enter remarks for any checklist item. After completing the checklist, click Save, then return to the previous screen. If you want to upload photos, tap the camera icon and capture or select images. Similarly, you can upload videos for documentation. You can also enter feedback related to the audit, for example, work in progress. Set the expected closing date for the audit. If you want to notify additional users, you can add their email addresses as well. If the audit needs to be continued later, click Pause. Once all activities are completed, click Final End to close the audit. The audit will now be closed and removed from the open list. Under the Audit dashboard, Planned displays all planned audits. Started displays audits currently in progress. Paused displays audits that have been paused. Now let's create a maintenance audit. Click Create again. Select Safety Audit as the audit type. Choose the Maintenance department. Select the product type and audit form. Search for the required project, for example, AJ Tower, and click Create. A confirmation message stating New Audit Created Successfully will appear. Click OK. The maintenance audit will now be listed with the status open. Open the audit and start it using the same process demonstrated earlier. Since this is a maintenance audit, a different checklist will be displayed. Complete the checklist by selecting Yes, No, or Not Applicable NA. Add remarks wherever necessary, and save your responses. You can also add feedback, upload photos, and attach videos using the respective options. The expected closing date and feedback fields are mandatory before closing the audit. If these fields are left blank, the system will display an error. Once all mandatory information is completed, finalize and close the audit. Now let's see how these audits are reflected in the ERP. Navigate to Audit module, Manage Audit. Here, you can view the recently completed audits. This audit was created for the Erection department, and this one was created for the Maintenance department. To view the audit report, click Report. The report displays checklist responses, remarks, selected statuses, overall audit score. Similarly, you can open the Maintenance audit report to review its checklist, remarks, activity status, and final score. Under the Feedback section, you can view all comments entered during the audit. The Gallery section displays all uploaded photos and videos. You can also view the complete audit history, including who initiated the audit, date and time of each activity, status updates throughout the audit lifecycle. The same information is available for both installation and maintenance audits. This completes the Audit app and ERP integration workflow.